In iOS 12, Apple has introduced new notification features, providing an expanded set of tools to monitor and manage notifications more quickly and intuitively. There have been no changes in the way notifications work in general, but many of these features make it easier to remove notifications, determine what notifications you want and make adjustments on the fly. The owners of iPhone and iPad have been asking for the return of grouped notifications for years, and on iOS 12, Apple delivered. Multiple notifications of the same application will be grouped in the iPhone lock screen, reducing clutter. You can touch a set of notifications from a particular application to expand them and see all the notifications in the list. You can touch the X next to a group of notifications to erase all those notifications at the same time, or do the same with a slide to the left. In the Settings application, you can change the behavior of grouped notifications. Go to Settings Notifications and tap on any application to see the grouping notifications preferences. Touch that to choose Automatic, by application, or Off if you prefer to see all incoming notifications for a particular application, such as Messages. Automatic searches by application for the most part, but with this setting enabled, you may get two groups of notifications if you have email threads that go with two different people in the Mail application, or multiple conversations in Messages, for example, or different incoming message conversations.